Woo! Day 2! Sorry about the first video, there was a copyright thing because of the radio. Fixing it. I'm doing it right now. Fixing it. We're at day 2, we're unloading at the plant. We had... Not for long, little turd. But, we're unloading at the plant. We had really thin plywood thingies they used to make aluminum beams. We're either gonna have to set for 3 hours or go load right after this. Number two. So I'm gonna munch on some Doritos and do me some editing. Yay, we're sitting for 2 hours. That's good. Watch this. And there's Harley being a little hey, quit chewing. And then you got a little biscuit following me around. I like this. This is absolutely atrocious. I need you to use the bathroom. Move. By the power of intestines, I command you to poo. And this is a good time to get out. I gotta use the bathroom. First Whataburger. Woo. I know there's people gonna see this, like one person gonna see this video, gets something like this every day. Please, oh, that's nice. Since 1950. I like Wendy's better because theirs is 69. That's the year they were founded. It's amazing.
See, I like the ketchups like this because you can actually just open them and dip.
Did she say spicy ketchup as well?
Yeah, they got spicy ketchup as well. Thank you. Look at this.
What'd you get?
It's a jalapeno cheeseburger. Can you not tell?
You saying a blessing?
Not on camera.
Dude, 4K, 60 FPS. This is looking good in video. First bite.
Nom.
Yeah. How's it? 10 out of 10 would try again.
This is a 15 out of a 10.
My turn.
Gene is a nut. Sucks it all.
But come on, keep going.
These are crazy nights.
I better not get copyright strikes for this. Well, I will flip my lid.
I got something for you.
You said this is Kiss? All rights belong to Kiss and their manager. Oh, that's terrifying. Never again.